Good morning. Today is Saturday the 9th of April, and I'm on top of Kelly's Knob. This is one of the first times I've ever hiked into snow. Actually, it is the first time. One of the few times I've ever seen snow in my adult life. So this has been a completely new magical experience for me. So I'm taking my time and enjoying it. We've been hiking for about an hour now. Gotten about, I think it was a little less than a mile away. Got a little bit more of a mile to go to the next shelter. But man, this was the view I took last year. It was right over here. Not much of a view today because of the clouds. But man, it is still beautiful out here. I'll try to get a zoomed in shot of them clouds, or of them peaks. Just a bunch of clouds. Wow, that was interesting. Just got the most interesting trail magic ever. Coming down Kelly's Knob here. Not even, it might be about halfway. Group of about 6 hikers come up the hill, going solo. 2 of them was carrying boxed wine on their packs, and one had chocolate. And they were just giving it away to random people. Random hikers that they passed. I'm just trying to see who can get rid of their weight the fastest. So I just had some wine. Not too much though, because I've recently learned you cannot trust the white covered rocks. They want to be slippery, and they won't tell you. Learning new things every day out here in the snow. But that hiker wine was pretty good, and definitely hand it to them. Hand it to them for packing up all that wine up here up onto Kelly's Knob. That cannot be an easy task with cups and everything. So that was pretty awesome. I don't know if you can see them, but I can. This isn't the same type of snow. This is actual snowflakes. I'd like to get a close-up on one, but it's not little balls of snow anymore. It's little flakes. Some big flakes too. See, this is how you know you're not in Florida no more. So, got here to Deep Gap Shelter, ate some food. Snow turned to real bad, real fast. Got real cold. Gonna be like this all day. Tomorrow's gonna be nice, except for all this thawing out and being sloshy. It's okay. I'd rather hiking that than this, even though this is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just heading to the privy, then go get situated in my hammock and hunker down for the day. Hopefully tomorrow I can push on up to Plum Orchard, which will be the last shelter in Georgia. But we'll see. Only time can tell. Peace. Good morning. Today is Sunday the 10th of April, 2022. Beautiful day today. We're leaving Deep Gap Shelter. We're going to try to make it 8.1 to Plum Orchard, which is the last shelter in Georgia. I don't know if I'm going to make it that far, but we'll see how we feel. Much more beautiful day today than it was yesterday. Cannot complain. Still a lot of snow on the ground, but at least the sun's up. Supposed to get up to almost 70 today. So, as long as this stays nice today, and I don't hurt myself or wear myself out too quick, I think 8.1 is doable. There is a lot of ups and downs, so we'll just see how we feel. Alright, probably eat some breakfast at some pretty peak somewhere. Man, shaping up to be a beautiful day today. I can't be but 30 minutes in. It's only 9:19. So I don't even think I'm that far in. Maybe a half a mile from where I started. But goodness, this is beautiful out here. Probably can't see through the trees too well, but there's a blue ridge line that way. And that's where we're coming down. And then over here, got a bridge out that way. It's just a beautiful section of trail. Not cold at all. In fact, I'm thinking about going down to some shorts. And there's still snow on the ground. Couldn't ask for a better day.
I'll follow you wherever you go. Stay close to you, 'cause darling, you're my home. I'll follow you wherever you go. Stay close to you, 'cause darling, you're my home. Rose into the bone. There's darkness in your soul. You're cold, cold heart. You're cold, cold heart, yeah. I'll follow you wherever you go. Stay close to you, 'cause starting, you're my home.
Rose into the bone. There's darkness in your soul. You're cold, cold heart. You're cold, cold heart. Yeah, hold me like a ghost that won't leave me alone. You're cold, cold heart. You're cold, cold heart. Yeah.
Hold me like a ghost that won't leave me alone. You're cold, cold heart. You're cold, cold heart. Yeah. I'll follow you wherever you go. Stay close to you, 'cause darling, you're my home.
Dix Creek Gap. And there's Trail Magic. So, thank you for the Gatorade and the bars. It's awesome. Hiker community is awesome. And I'm about to go have myself a proper breakfast. Alright, about 30 minutes out of lunch. Went up and out of Dix Creek Gap. Heading my way up into Bull's Gap. Then down into Plum Orchard Shelter. I think I can do that today. It's only 12:12 and 3.6 miles. That'll make it for a total of 8.6 today. I'm happy with that. It's just been a lovely day too. Had some Trail Magic. That was cool. Had a good breakfast. Pepperoni and tuna and wrap. And now I'm pretty much running on coffee, sugar, and Advil. Oh, not that much Advil. But caffeine is doing me good out here. Alright, see y'all up there. Alright, I think this is the high point for today. Forgot to look at the elevation. But I don't care. I just know it's all downhill from here. And it's all downhill 1 mile into Plum Orchard Shelter, the last shelter in Georgia. So I just went up into Hogpen, no. What was the name of that gap? Bull Gap. Yeah, I just went up into Bull Gap. Went down and, well, okay, went up to get to it. Went down into it. Then had to come up out of it. And all together, that constitutes about about a mile and a half of pretty much all up. And not an easy one. So, it's 2:19 now. I have no idea when my last check-in was. But, I only got a mile to go downhill. I can do that. And this will be like an 8.5 mile day today. Something like that. I'll look at it when I've rested up. Well, made it to Plum Orchard Shelter. It's only, well, actually I made it here about 3:30. Not bad time. It was 8.5 miles I did today. 8.2, something like that. There's already some people here. Starting to get to the point where it's early in the day. I've already done about 8.5 or so. And I could take a nap and keep going for another 2 miles if I wanted to. I think after tomorrow I might want to. But today I'm just gonna enjoy the last little section of Georgia and then start North Carolina tomorrow. And if you familiar with that area, there's 3 huge climbs. So though it's only, I think it's 7 miles to the next shelter, it's 2,500 feet of ascent and like 1,100 of descent. So it's gonna be interesting. But hopefully I can get an epic sunrise over there or over there. We'll see. But for right now, I'm gonna go rest, maybe take a nap, and eat something. Peace. Alrighty, I got all nestled in. and finally relaxed. Got the tarp set up in porch mode. We're gonna be able to see some sunrise. Unfortunately, it won't be from this direction. Yeah, we won't be getting no sunrise from that way. It'll be coming in from that way though. So I can still see it. It's shaped up to be a beautiful day. Kind of warm, actually. I got a little bit of sun on my face. I can feel it. And supposed to be no rain tonight. Supposed to be a little bit of wind. It's not going to get too cold. Not going to be cold at all. So I'm sitting up in porch mode and enjoying it. The cool breeze. Now, this is shaping up to be one of my best favorite shelters ever. Because right down there at the water source, I was able to rinse the feeties and get the feet soaking in the cold water on a warm day. Been waiting on that one since I started, and it was epic. I spent like 30 minutes just soaking my feet in the water. And over there, I even got the socks to dry up over there. And then behind me here, I got my shirt up there drying. Get all that rinsed out. So, just been an amazing day, man. It's been my best day so far on the AT. Feel great, did a lot of miles. Got my feet soaked. And got my socks rinsed out. Oh, my buff and my shirt too. Now, maybe nap then eat, or eat then nap. Either way, it's going to be the day today. Today, it's 5/21, Sunday 10th. Best day yet.